Mera Chongba or Mera festival is being celebrated today in the state, showcasing the rich fraternal bond between the hills and valley people and cultural diversity of the state. The state level function of the festival commenced with a grand cultural procession featuring various indigenous communities in traditional attire from Sana Konung to Kangla Fort in the morning. At Kangla, tutorial King Sana Jauba, who is also a Rajya Sabha MP, along with Angom Ningthau Poiriton and other cultural heads of Sana Konung, received the cultural procession. Sana Jauba hoisted the 7-colored flag and lit the traditional lamp called Mera, followed by exchanging gifts between headman and king and presentation of Khongle Hanba Award to A.S. Wangnauyu Zimek. Various rituals including Yenkhong Tamba and cultural performances by different communities also marked the main highlights of the program. The event, organized by State Level Organizing Committee on Mera Chongba, was also attended by Art and Culture Commissioner H. Gyan Prakash, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sarda, and Art and Culture Director Paunam Gunindro, and also 135 village chiefs, headmen of the villages from hills. Speaking on the sidelines, Sana Jauba traced the genesis of Mera Chongba, stating that it began during the reign of King Nongdalairen Pakhangba as an important annual event symbolizing the oneness between hills and valley people. Further, calling it a common customary observational festival of the indigenous people, the MP expressed contentment on the participation of various communities irrespective of religion and called for unity among the indigenous communities to protect the state.